Track 5000 Central. Track 5007 Central.
Sending 1 Foxtrot.
Track 5007 Central.
Ninety-three. Sending 0.
Central is track 3757. Would like to request a route 337. Alpha to Bravo. Interlocking clear.
Track 5007 Central.
Central, track 2000 requesting now LC5 Charlie to Delta interlocking clear.
Track 5007 Central.
Hey, do you guys see the occupancy? I got the shut down.
Oh, stand by. Track 5007. Track 5007 Central.
Train control 9 power 42.
Control 9.
Hey, when you were down there at, where'd you say Delta to Foxtrot, did you see other broken C-bombs?
I'm going to close this box up and go to 21. Yes, there's a Foxtrot, there's a 1 C-bomb, there's a broken.
Okay, did it look melted?
It was a one piece detached and it's on the catwalk side.
Copy, okay. Looks like the wrong milepost was posted into the Maximos, so the assignment that was generated was, had the incorrect milepost because the picture of the melted C-bombs that we replaced.
Track 5007 Central.
Copy that. So the C-bombs we replaced were Gate Tango off the 12th Street platform. If you can go over there to just before the end of the blanket.
At Temple, we're heading to the gate.
Track 5007 Central. Anybody with track 5007, either in the Y or on the C2 track, let me know where this vehicle is, please. Track 5007, track 5007 Central.
Central to track 5007, go ahead.
What is your location, please?
Alpha 0.86 on the C2 track.
0.86 on the C2 track. Is that just north of 19th Street Station?
Affirmative.
Okay, 10-4. And track 5007, what is the status of the flat car?
We have one flat car on the ground towards the third rail. One flat car had a derail. 42430.
Okay, all four wheels on the ground?
Just 2 wheels. Well, all 4, yes.
Okay, one truck?
Third rail side.
One truck on the third rail side, 0.86 on the C2. No injuries?
No injuries.
No apparent damage to third rail, cover boards, any equipment?
I can't see the third rail. It's dark in the tunnel. We're checking it out right now.
Okay, 10-4. Safety is on the way.
10-4.
Track 5007, is the entire unit fully inside the tunnel, including the flat cars?
Affirmative.
Central.
Central Safety
8. Safety 8, go.
Yes, sir. You can show Safety 8, Safety 6 at the 19th Street Station. We just got right in the blanket, so we'll be there in a few seconds.
Copy that. Safety 8 and Safety 6 on the scene of 0356.
This goes down to 20.
Low route.
Yeah, there's a high wheeler park.
Hey, Martin.
Everything okay over there? You talking about by the derail? We just taking for occupancy. Copy that.
Yeah. Central Night Rider, Ashby, open and staffed.
Yeah, it's all good now.
Yeah.
Hey, do you see Paul's clipboard over there? Clipboard around the area? It's on top of the generator.
I understand Ashby is
Facing the scene of the derailment, 2 operations, 4 re-railing operations.
Central is the 101 at Daly City Transfer 1.
Central copy 0450. 101, 101.
And Central 69.
Safety 9, go.
Yeah, MECC just called. Can you have 66 come up on their channel and clear themselves from the blanket or get right into the Category B, please?
Safety 6, you copy that?
I did. Changing over now.
Boy, 113.